how to make an online order form on WordPress. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an online order form for yourself on your WordPress website. So let's get into it. So what is an order form? When you're basically, when a person is making a purchase from your website, they're basically looking forward for characterization, for some customization, and for basically choosing the right product and right color and everything. For that, you need to add custom order forms in your website on your purchase option, where they can basically select everything that they want. Like when they are basically after done with their product filling, they're basically allowed to add their information, like their address, like the days that they want the delivery, and then phone numbers, their emails and everything. So you need to ask all of those things, and after that you need to confirm their order. For that you need to add an order form, which is very necessary. So you can add that to your simple WordPress website. For that purpose, first of all, you need to open your WordPress website. This is your basic dashboard. So in this dashboard, what you're going to do is you're basically going to look for our WooCommerce. If you have already integrated your WooCommerce into your WordPress website, then you're good to go. As you can see, I already have WooCommerce right here. But if you don't have, there's no need to worry. You can just go on to this option which says plugins. You can just click on this which says add new. You can click on this, and there you're going to search for WooCommerce, and when you find that plugin, you're going to install it. And then on the other hand, you need to activate it. After your plugin is activated, you can just go on. You will see this plugin in the sidebar, right? I have shown you in like this, and you'll have your home, your orders, your product fields, customers, coupons, report, settings, status, extensions, and everything that your WooCommerce holds right here. So WooCommerce basically allows characterization of products. So for that, you're just going to click on this which says product fields, and it is basically going to take you to all the products that you have. This is all the products that you have created on WooCommerce. So as you can see, this is basically product field groups. I don't have any product right now onto my WooCommerce, but that's not a problem. What I'm going to show you is basically how you can add your product characterization into WooCommerce directly and without any plugin. So what you're going to do is I'm just going to click on this option which says add new, and I'm going to add a new product field onto my WooCommerce. After I've done that, I'm just going to wait until it loads up. It is basically going to give me different options where I can add characterization to my product that I've created on WooCommerce. This will basically make an automatic order form on whenever a person purchases something from your WooCommerce. So first of all, you need to add the title. Let's say the title of the thing that I'm going to sell is mug. Then you need to add your fields. Add some custom fields to this group. You can just click on this option and add new field. So in the new field, you're going to add the type. What type of field this should be? The label. This is the label that is shown to the text field, and the instructions, the required default value, placeholder text, adjust pricing, and repeat field pro. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this option which says type, and now I'm going to choose the type of the text. If I want it to be text area, number, email, URL, select, and everything. So you can just go on and add these. After that, you need to select the label. This is the label that is shown next to the field. Instructions can be used to display extra information near the field. Then you need to select yes if the field should require input from the user. I'm just going to click on this, turn on yes. Default value, the preset value of the field when the page loads. For example, you need to find an already existing text in that field, but it's going to be. Then you have your placeholder text appear within the input field. Then you need to adjust the pricing. Should the price be repeated multiple times either by a button or quantity or input box, you can click on yes or no accordingly. Then you have your conditionals and wrapper attributes. If you want to add any kind of wrapping, if you have a gift shop, if you are giving gift, then you need to add the wrapper attributes. You can basically go on and add wrapping sheets and everything, the class and everything into this, and you can add a field, and your field will be added. The more the product will have fields, the more characterized your product is. It will be easier to build the form for for WooCommerce automatically, and your customers will be able to choose in the first category or second category or third category of the same product that you have created. Then you have your label position, instruction position right here, and you can just go on and add it as well. If you don't want to do that, what you can do else is basically you can add in a plugin onto your website. So for that, you can just go on to this option which says plugin, just click on this option which says add new, and I'm going to wait until it loads. Here you can see this is basically an add new plugin. In the add new plugin section, I'm going to basically search for a plugin that I'm going to show you, which is bulk. Okay, so I have searched for bulk order form and I have got some kind of some plugins that I can use. So this is the Forminator. It can basically builds different kind of forms for you. You can just go on and install this one as well. It is a really good platform. You have your WP forms. You can just go on and create the form for yourself from this option, this plugin as well. It is really good, but right now I'm just going to show you quick bulk order form for WooCommerce. So this is a specific form manager. This is a form maker that is specific for WooCommerce and bulk order form, which is basically generates an order form for you. So these platforms, they basically generate all kind of forms. Sometimes the when you are basically creating an order form or some specific kind of form, it gets a little bit difficult for you in creating a form on these platforms. But if you have a plugin which is related to only one purpose, like an order form plugin, then you should go with that plugin. So this plugin right here, it has 1,000 plus activations and it was updated 1 month ago and it is compatible with the version of WordPress that I have. So I'm just going to click on this install now. It is installing right now, and then I'm going to click on this option which says activate. After I have activated quick bulk order form for WooCommerce, so it will basically take me to the form maker and I'll basically go on and add my form from that specific options. I can just generate a form for myself. It can be anything that I want. It can contain all the things that I want when I'm creating or managing an order. So you can just go on and install that plugin and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to get a form maker for you. You can add your products into it. You can integrate your products with it. It will see all the categories your products have, and then when a person purchases that product, it is going to show you all the categories that you have of that product, and that way you'll be able to get a customized product, a customized plugin for yourself, a form for yourself, which is going to be very, very good for your business, because whenever a customer makes a purchase, they're going to they are basically going to feel very easy. They're going to feel very satisfied with the order they have, because sometimes it gets a little bit confused when there is not a proper order form, that which color they have chosen, which size they have chosen, if it's something that comes in different sizes, what shape if they have chosen, and everything like this. So for that, the categories should be there, the order form should be there, so everything is in harmony, everything goes with peace, and everything happens very smoothly. So if you are running a successful business, if you're basically a good merchant, then you need to add these small details onto your website so that people coming onto your website find them good and find them easy, and they basically come back again and they don't go through any kind of problem. So right here you have all these options. The Forminator is also a good option to use from. I'm just going to when you click on this install and then activate, the Forminator is going to show itself right here. Then you can go into Forminator and build your order form. But for that, you can just go on to Google and see a template for the order form. How does order form look like? And then you can add all of these fields onto this form that you're going to create on Forminator. It's going to make all this process easy for you, because obviously a person normally doesn't know what they should include in their order form, and what is basically what a template of an order form. So you can just go ahead and find that, and then you can add that on Forminator. Forminator basically allows you to build very creative forms, payment forms, order forms with 100,000 plus integrations. They also have different templates. You can use them as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.